Hi, I'm Jade from Jobber. Let's talk about your schedule in the Jobber app. Right next to the Home button is where you will see the Schedule tab. This is where you'll see visits, tasks, assessments, and events that have been assigned to you. Items on the schedule are color-coded, so you know at a quick glance what the item is. Visits for a job are green, tasks are blue, events are yellow, and assessments for requests are purple. Tapping each item opens the details for that item, including the title, instructions or description, line items, and assigned team. There will also be options to call or send an on my way message to the client for assessment and visits. There are multiple schedule views for different ways of visualizing your schedule. There's a list view where the schedule items appear as cards in a list. The cards are ordered by time with the schedule items at the top of the list and anytime visits below. There is a day view where you will see one day at a time and the items on the schedule are blocked off based on their duration with anytime visits at the top. This is great if you are scheduling on the go, as you can see what times are free. There is a 3-day view where you can see 3 days worth of the schedule at a time. Just like the day view, items on the schedule are blocked off based on their duration with anytime visits at the top. A week view where you see the full week with the columns for each day of the week. Scheduled items are blocked off based on their duration with anytime visits at the top. And a map view where your appointments for the day are displayed geographically on a map. To switch between the schedule views, tap the View Options icon and select your schedule view. There are also options to hide weekends from the week view or add additional team members to view multiple schedules side by side on the day and list views. The schedule will always show today's date, but you can navigate to dates in the future or past by tapping the dates along the top of the schedule. To navigate to a different month, tap the month to open the date selector. To move back to today's date, tap the schedule icon. Items can be scheduled directly from the calendar from the day, week, and 3-day views. Tap a time slot on the calendar to open a menu with options to create a new job, request, or task. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, be sure to check out the Help Center as well as our other videos.